Hello Pythonians, let's continue with the series of Python. In the previous video we had seen what is Python and how to install it, and we had did some arithmetic operations. In this video we are going to see what is variable. The first question is, why do we need variables? So let's do it here. Let's 3 plus 2 that we had did in the previous session. In maths we had seen a simple concept. If we have equation y is equal to mx plus c, then we assume the value of x. That means we are assigning the value to the x. Suppose I am assigning x is equal to 2. Then we have the slope m and the y-intercept c. Then from that we are finding the value of y. So here we are assigning the value to the x. So can we do it here? Let's try. Let x is equal to 4. You can see the value of x is 4. Here the variable name is x and the sign between the x and 4 is the assignment operator. Here we are assigning the value 4 to the variable x, and 4 is the value we are going to assign. Here a simple concept is a variable is a container or a box in that we are storing the value, and the value we are assigning that can be any. That is, it can be integer, float, complex, or it can be a string also. We have try x is equal to 4. Can we try y is equal to 5? Yes, it's possible. So let's try some operations on the variables. If I do x plus 4, it's giving 8. The value of x was 4 and I am adding 4, so it becomes 8. Can I add two variables, x plus y? Yes, it is giving 9. Value of x was 4 and the value of y is 5. If I want to use the value of the previous result, I have to just use the underscore plus I am to add 5. Yes, is giving 14. 9 plus 5, 14. Why do we call it a variable? Because it changes its value. Here you can see the value of x was 4. Can I change its value? X is equal to 5. I am assigning the value 5 to the x. Let's check the value of the x. Now the value of x is 5. Can you assign the string value to the integer variable? Let's try. X is equal to yes, that also possible. What if I use a variable that I haven't assigned any value? Let's try what it happen. Let's try ABC that I haven't assigned any value. It's giving an error. Here you can see a name error. ABC is not defined. So you have to be careful that when you are using any variable that should have any value. Here the variables in the Python are the case sensitive. If I assign a value 5 to the a and I am making a variable of capital A and assigning it value 10. If I use A, it giving a value 5, not a 10. If I use capital A, it's giving a value 10. So the variables in the Python are the case sensitive. So let's see what type of variables we can use. So can we use a number in the name of the variable? Let's 12 is equal to. Here we are assigning a string to the variable name 12. State. Here it is giving a syntax error. Cannot assign to a literal. So we cannot assign a value to any number variable. So can we use a number in the name of the variable? Let's see. Name 1. I am assigning a value Ganesh. So yes, you can use a number in the name of the variable. We had put a number at the last. So can we put a number at the beginning? Let's try. No, you can't do that. So can we use a number in the middle of the name of the variable? Let's try. Yes, you can do that also. But you can't put any number at the beginning of a name of the variable. So can you use any symbol in the name of the variable? Let's try. I am using hash. So it's giving an error. Name is not defined. So let's try another symbol. I am using a dollar sign. So it's giving an invalid syntax. So you can't use any symbol in the name of the variable. So can we use the underscore? Yes, you can use a underscore in the name of the variable. You can use it at the beginning also. Here you can see that I had put a underscore at the beginning of the name of the variable. So it is valid in the Python. So let's do some operations on the variable. If I had variable called name and I'm assigning value Ganesh. If I want to know the what type of value I had assigned to the variable, I had just to use the type function. It will give the type. Here you can have to type the variable name. Here you can see the string value is assigned to the variable name. So let's try for the integer. X is equal to 10 and let's see the type of x. Here you can see x variable is of class integer. So can we change the type of any variable? Let's see. I had assigned the value 10 to the x where 10 is the integer. So I am changing. So you have to do just typecasting. So let's see the type of the x. So now you can see that type of x was 10 and now here we had did the typecasting. So the type of the x is string. So in that way we can do a typecasting. Here you can just convert the integer or float value to the string, but you can't convert the string into a integer. So let's do some fun. If I have variable name x and I am assigning a value programming. If I want the any part of the any string, what should I have to do? I have to just use the name of the variable which is x and use the square bracket. Here you have to specify the index of the string that you want. If I am giving 0 to 4, here you can see prog, P-O-R-G. Here P has the 0 index, R is having the 1, 2 and 3. Here it excludes the value of the fourth index. It is just giving a 0th, 1st, 2nd and 3rd value. So if I want the whole string, what should I have to do? I have to just do and I have to assign yes the colon. Here the default value is 0 and here the default value is assigned as the length of the string. So can I use the negative numbers? Let's try. Yes, it is giving a last character G. So the in Python the indexing is from Here the indexing is 0, 1, 2, 3, and the from last it's -1, -2, -3. Here in the slicing there is another method, that is x. If I am assigning the whole string, and here I am using a -1. Here you can see the whole string is printed the reverse. Here the -1 is the steps. Here the default value is 1. So it iterates the each and every character as the single. And here we had used the value -1. So it had iterated the string reversely. So let's see how can we find the length of the any string that we had stored in the variable x. We have to just use the length function, len. Here length function calculates the length of the string. Here you can see the length of the x is 11. So here length function gives the length of the string. So it had given the length 11. So there are 11 characters in the string programming. So let's see, can we change the part of the any string? So we had a variable name x and having a value programming. If I do x and second index having the value, I am assigning a value t. So it is giving a string object does not support item assignment. So the strings in the Python are the immutable. That means you can't change the string. So this is how you work with the variable. So you can have integer variable, float variable, and it can be a string variable also. So in this video we had seen what is variable and how to assign the values to the variable, how to do the typecasting, how to do the slicing of any string that we had assigned, and also we had seen how to measure the length of the string. So that's for the today. Thank you so much for watching.